Archibald, textile artist, teacher and writer. I enjoy using metallic foils in a whole variety of ways in my work, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to the potential of pressure sensitive glues and a number of different ways in which they can be used to apply metallic foils to the surface of your work. I'm going to show you how to gild your fabric now to give you a nice defined outline to your shapes. Very simply done, very effective, using one of the pressure sensitive glues that are available. So this is a pressure sensitive glue. It is just one of the pressure sensitive glues that I like to work with. What I'm going to do is, with the glue, just touch the surface of your fabric with the glue, tip of the glue there, draw your shape. I'm just going to freehand a heart there. Just dot the nib of the glue onto the fabric before you lift it up. And that's my shape there. Now you'll see that there's a very slight milkiness to the glue. What I've got to do is put that to one side and wait until that has perfectly dried. I know when it's dried because it will be absolutely transparent. So here's a piece with a few more motifs on it. It is absolutely transparent. There's also a tackiness to it, but it's not wet. Now I'm going to gild that. I work with the main metallics and I use these foils here: silver, bronze, copper and gold. I'm going to work with the gold foil. I'm just taking a sheet of it, placing it over my glued designs there. Now remembering that whenever you're working with these foils, you're going to work with the colour side up, the metallic side up towards you. That's the wrong side, and that's always going to be down onto the fabric. Place your sheet of foil on top of your glued design. Take a teaspoon and rub. Now this is where the pressure part of this comes in, because the glue is pressure sensitive, so I'm applying pressure. The glue is sensitive, and when I peel the foil off, you will have a lovely gilded effect there. The glue is now permanent on your fabric, and that will be washable. It won't be dry cleanable, but be able to give that a gentle wash. And it's a nice way of outlining your designs, adding a subtle bit of glitz into your work. Now this is a little bag that I've made using that glue, using that technique that I've just shown you. And what I did was I machine stitched the leaf shapes in first, and then I took the glue and I just drizzled round the outline of my leaves there, allowed it to dry, and in this case, rather than gold, I used some of the copper foil to gild with, to give that nice defined outline to the leaves. And again, a sample based on one of the kits that I do. I've taken the glue, and for the elephant's toes, I've just dotted the glue on along his toes there, allowed it to dry, taken a sheet of gold foil, pressed that on afterwards to give that gilded effect there, which nicely complements the foiling done with the Bondo web in other areas of the elephant. I hope you've enjoyed that video on how to use the pressure sensitive glues in a variety of ways on your work. I hope you take those ideas on board, rework them, make them your ideas and their application into your work to make your work totally unique and personal to you. Look out for other videos that again will introduce you to other applications of foils onto your work.